Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Teacher. I'm Pawan. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install and run Windows 8.1 inside of Oracle VirtualBox VM Manager. So without further discussion, let's start our video and see how we can do this. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me. Okay friends, as the next step we need to download and install this Oracle VirtualBox Manager on your PC. You can easily download and install this application on your PC, and other than that you need to download Windows 8.1 this image file. You can also download that file from the given links in the description of this video. Okay guys, then you need to search and find Windows features to disable HyperV platform. You can search and open this turn on of Windows features option. Then you need to disable Hyper-V. Then only you will be able to create a 64-bit machine from here. So then you need to open Oracle VirtualBox Manager and click on new option. Now you need to enter the name of your Windows that you are going to install here. Now you can see it's automatically detected Windows 8 64-bit. If you didn't turn off that Hyper-V platform or from your PC, you can't install 64-bit operating system as a virtual system. Then you need to click on next, and you need to select the RAM size for your virtual machine and click on next again click on create and next. When it comes to here, you can go for this dynamic allocated option or fixed size option. If you selected this fixed size option, it will significantly increase the performance of your Windows 8.1, and also if you selected this dynamically allocated option, it will automatically increase the size of your virtual hard disk with the hard disk usage of that virtual machine. Then you can click on next for create a virtual machine. Now you need to select the size of your hard disk. Now we need to wait until completing of this process. When it comes to here, we have successfully created a disk image file for run Windows 8.1 on our VirtualBox. Then we need to click on the setting of this virtual machine before going to run it on our PC. Then we need to go to the setting of that VirtualBox, and you can increase the processors that you want to use with this VirtualBox, and you need to enable this tick. Then you need to go to the display settings and enable 3D acceleration. Then you want to increase this one, and also you need to go to the storage option and select the Windows 8.1 disk image file that we have already downloaded. Then go to downloads and find your virtual disk image file and click on open it. Now click on live CD option. Then you need to go to the shared folder, and you need to select a folder for share the files between these two operating systems. In my case, I have already created a folder here. Now I'm going to select that folder. If you don't have a folder for this purpose, you can create a new folder and select that folder. Then click on this auto mount option and click on OK. Now click on OK to save these settings, and you can start your VirtualBox. When it comes to here, you need to click on next. After choosing your language and everything, then click on install now. Now click on I accept the license terms and click on next. Now click on custom install. Again click on new and apply. Click on OK. Then again click on next. Now you need to wait until completing of this process. Okay friends, here we can see we have successfully installed Windows 8.1 inside of Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Then we need to enable the shared folder for this virtual machine. So you need to open this one. Then you can see there are no folders we can see in here. Now you need to click on this devices option and click on insert ghost addition CD image. Now you need to open this one. In here you need to install this VirtualBox ghost additions setup file according to the Windows version that you have installed here. I'm going to install this 64-bit one. Now you need to click on finish. So you can see our rebooting process is completed. Then when it comes to our my computer, here you can see our VirtualBox shared folder is working fine. Then you can share any file to your original system or your virtual system using this folder. And also, if you want to get this VirtualBox into a full screen, you need to click on this view option and click on here, then change resize to 640 multiplied by an 480. Then your VirtualBox will be came to this kind of screen. Then click on here and click on this one once again. Then you can see it came to a full screen. So this is the end of our video. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join it.